Hey guys, so for today's video, I want to talk about how to detangle your natural hair. And I can only speak from my own experience, so this video is going to be specifically about how to detangle thick type 4 hair. I feel like there are certain rules that apply whether you have natural hair or not. When it comes to detangling, it's best to start from the ends and then slowly work your way up to the roots. So that, I feel like, is a rule that goes across the board no matter like what type of hair you have, how thick your hair is. Start from the end and then work your way up. Next, I feel like the product that you're using to detangle your hair is also very important. I like a conditioner that provides a lot of slip. If it doesn't provide a lot of slip, I find it very hard for me to comb through my hair successfully, especially if my hair is very tangled when I'm doing that wash day. I need a conditioner that's going to provide a lot of slip to make it easier to detangle my hair. The third important thing is the method or the tool that you're using to detangle. There are so many things that you could use to detangle your hair, so you have to find what works for you. There are some people that finger detangle. You can use a wide tooth comb. You can also use a brush, so you have to just really find out what works well for your hair and for your wash day routine. I find that using a wide tooth comb works well for my hair, and I haven't been having a lot of breakage using a wide tooth comb, so I'm super happy that I found something that works for me. And when it comes to the ease of detangling, I feel like the health of your hair also plays a major role. If your hair has a lot of split ends, which is causing it to tangle a lot more, it's definitely going to be a longer detangling process in comparison to someone who has healthy hair and doesn't have like a lot of split ends. So you have to take that into consideration also. When it comes to detangling your hair, you're going to start from your ends and work your way up to the roots. I like to just take my time, and I also like to do my hair in sections. I find it a lot easier to detangle my hair in sections because if I don't, then I end up like just causing like a whole tangled mess if I try to like detangle my hair like just all in one. That doesn't work out for me. I have a lot of hair on my head and my hair tends to like get tangled easily, so I like to just work with it in sections, and once I'm done detangling it, I put it in a twist, or like I just roll it up and use like one of those clips, and that's it. Just keep it out the way. So you're gonna work from your ends and you're gonna just slowly make your way up to the roots. And I feel like it's very important to just take your time, especially if you're just learning how to care for your hair. You need to take your time and like find your rhythm. Trying to rush through it, you might end up causing unnecessary breakage in your hair, and it's all about health and length retention over here. So you want to make sure that you're not like causing any unnecessary breakage to your hair. I also find that for me, when it comes to detangling, it's a lot easier when my hair is like soaking wet. So I cannot detangle if my hair is not like drenched with water. It just makes the process a lot harder, for me at least. If I feel like I'm coming across like a little rough area, I might also just put my hair under the shower and just like get it soaked and just like start detangling while it's under the shower. Because of the way my bathroom is set up right now, I can't do that. So let's just imagine that I'm under the shower, just sprinkling the water on my hair. Just imagine that this is the shower head, and we're gonna go ahead and detangle. And once I add the water, you see that it's a lot easier for me to get through that knot. So I really hope this video helps anyone that is like struggling with detangling your hair. If you did like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you find my content useful, go ahead and subscribe and support your girl. And I hope to see you next time.